Captain Ron is here. So what do we got here? He said motor in a box. That sounds familiar. New truck?
Yep.
Sweet! Man, that's cool. Oh my goodness, man. Look at that puppy, huh?
Where's this going?
This late right here. Well, I'll take care of it after
the hood pops off. But I got a whole new...
And that thing runs?
Yep.
Good.
Anything you need on here, I got spare.
Cool, man.
Except the block.
What'd you do to it so far?
Nothing.
Alright, so let me try and figure all this out here. This motor he's given me. 6 horse. It supposedly runs. Then this motor is a little 6 horse. The motor in the box, totally tore down, that I'm going to build back for him. And this one, I'm going to, work on it first because it's almost done, so to speak. And then I'll probably, got a guy that's been wanting me to find him a motor. And he's got the 25, same as that 25 I had on the Sea Dart. What do you call them damn thing? Tracker, 25 tracker, same motor. He says, you find me a nice little motor for my John boat and I'll give you the 25 tracker. So I'm thinking, alright, we'll see if it's good and compression and everything's good on it. Because I can get more money out of a 25 than I can a 6. So that's the plan, Stan. Looks like I'm going to be busy for a while. Holy moly macaroni. I hate when this happens. Ay, 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 ay. And I'll tell you why it's happened. Captain Mark. You may have heard me talk about him lots of times. Anyway, this is his place, his old place. They just cleaned everything out. That's what you're looking at. They just piled it in the garbage. They got a new place, and they were renting that out. Long story short, Captain Mark, great guy. Couldn't help but like Captain Mark. Always help you out. He was one of these guys that refused to take the vaccine. He's big guy, overweight, diabetes, I mean the whole 9 yards. I never got into it with him, why would you not take the vaccine? I just left it alone. And he, took every precaution. Always had, spray bottles of alcohol and tons of hand sanitizer, all, everywhere. And he hated wearing the mask, but he finally started wearing the mask. And, he just avoided people as much as he possibly could. Well, it caught up to him. Thanksgiving, family get-together. And he took the worst of it. His wife had it, she breezed right through. But he didn't. He's in the hospital. About 2 days ago, they finally put him on a ventilator, which is not good. So he might not make it. Like I said, never got into it with him about, that's why I did the shot. I smoke, I'm not diabetic, I'm not overweight and all that stuff, but I don't even want to catch a freaking cold. You know what I mean? Anything that's going to save my friggin' life, I'm going to try it, and, I put, cigarettes in my body, alcohol in my body. I don't do drugs, I don't even do painkillers and stuff. It's very rare you see me take a couple Advil or anything like that. As many people that are still dropping dead. I just could never understand why people don't just get the frickin' vaccination. If it's going to save your ass, something's going to get you, whichever way you go. Nobody lives forever. But if you got a chance, I would take the chance. Anyway, the prop situation. Here, you know, this prop here, the newest prop, brand new. It's got the kit, the hub kit and all that crap so you can swap it out. Is pretty similar to the original prop, other than the original prop over the years has been filed down to clean it up. I even filed it down when I got it, just took the buzzed it. So it's no longer 13 diameter, now it's 12.5. That's why that prop has outperformed every other prop I've put on here. The stainless steel 17, 13 by 17. This prop here, 13 by 19. But so that's why the old original prop is outperforming all these other props, because it's been shaved down and it has just a different rake on it. People don't talk about rake, they talk about diameter and pitch. The rake makes a big difference. I'm not going to rehub that old one. I can still buy that prop on eBay, brand new, $100. There's a couple on there, and some really nice used ones for under $100. But if I do, I think what would happen is I'd be going right back to where this is, because all those props haven't been shaved down a ½ inch over the years. That thing's from the 70s. So was that prop with the brass ring on it. That came from the 70s too. That's the situation, that's the prop situation, that's the speed loss. The original prop, shaved down, better performance than all these other props I've tried. But I think right now, it's probably just going to be best just to stick with this damn thing. Once I get the deck all the way out and everything, I might try that stainless steel 17 pitch again, just for the hell of it. You know, just go back to plywood. Prices are down. The original plan, keep this boat as light as possible. But right now, let's feed the fishies. All right, I got that last piece out. I'll say it again. That Loctite Marine adhesive sealant, man, that is good stuff. Put this back in just for my boat cover. All right, let's take it for a quick buzz before the rain comes. I've only got one camera with me. This thing shuts down. Nothing I can do about it. Oh, I know what else I wanted to say, which I keep forgetting to do. R.I. Outboards. Probably heard of him. He comments all the time. He knows a lot about outboards. He keeps telling me, take it out, full throttle, and hit the primer. And I keep forgetting to do it. He said that'll tell you if you're running lean or rich. So if I'm running lean and I hit the primer, it's going to richen it up and it should pick up a little speed, right? If I'm running rich and hit the primer, it's going to kill it. Or if I'm running normal and hit the primer, it's still going to bog it down. So we'll give that a test. Because every time I come out here, I keep telling them, yeah, I keep forgetting. I'll try it. Let's see if I can remember today. I used to say, it just started getting so squirrely, I always had to back down. Too choppy. Little white caps out here. Keep an eye on this camera. Oh, baby. Man. It's the windiest corner. Should have put my jacket on. I'm going to hit the primer. Doing 30 miles an hour at 4,600. Ready? Bog down. Bog down. As soon as I let off. Damn, I knew I should have put my jacket on. Brr. Anyway, I'm not worried about doing GPS. Just wanted to do that for him, to take a little buzz. It's just, you know, you got one section of lake here that's worth riding around in. It's so choppy. I didn't even trim it up or do anything, just hit it. The new prop feels good. Seagull view. Look, they just circling right around me. Going right back to that spot. I thought they were. Oh, that's what they did. They took off into the wind for a quick lift. And the camera's still running. I'm not gonna buzz it with the grinder. So wow, man, that thing feels like it used to. I mean, it is quick, and without that heavy deck in there, it feels like it used to. Sure, it's not doing 38, 39, and probably won't without the right prop. You know, the more aggressive prop, the faster it's going to go. And I'm not worried about 38, 39, 40, you know. I was worried about what happened to my speed. Is my motor screwed up, or what the hell happened? And find out the prop spun out, you know the story. Checked everything I could check on the motor. Boat, ain't nothing wrong with the boat. It wasn't waterlogged or anything. Now that transom might have some water in it because there's something weird going on there. There's like little flakes of paint that have come off, and little tiny, like, I don't know what you call it, some kind of growth. But that ain't no big deal. So, Captain Ron brings me motors. I guess that's going to be the name of this video. Then I've got this puppy, 6 horse. No idea what year, anything yet. He says it runs. I don't know. Let's pull it out and fire it up.